There's a village hidden deep in the valley, among the pine trees half forlorn. And there on a sunny morning, little Jimmy Brown was born. So his parents took him to the chapel when he was only 1 day old. And the priest blessed the little fellow, welcomed Jimmy to the fold. Boom, 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 boom. All the chapel bells were ringing in the little valley town, and the song that they were singing was for baby Jimmy Brown. And the little congregation prayed for guidance from above. Lead us not into temptation, bless this hour of meditation, guide him with eternal love. There's a village hidden deep in the valley, beneath the mountains high above. And there, 20 years thereafter, Jimmy was to meet his love. Many friends were gathered in the chapel, and many tears of joy were shed. In June, on a Sunday morning, Jimmy and his wife were wed. Boom, 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 boom. All the chapel bells were ringing. Was a great day in his life, for the song that they were singing was for Jimmy and his wife. And the little congregation prayed for guidance from above. Lead us not into temptation, bless with us this celebration, may their lives be filled with love. From the village hidden deep in the valley, one rainy morning dark and gray, a soul winged its way to heaven. Jimmy Brown had passed away. Silent people gathered in the chapel to say farewell to their old friend, whose life had been like a flower, budding, blooming till the end. Boom, 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 boom. Just a lonely bell was ringing in that little valley town, and the song that they were singing was for good old Jimmy Brown.
Little Jimmy Brown.
And the little congregation prayed for guidance from above. Lead us not into temptation, may his soul find the salvation of thy great eternal love.